I heard that you can now build your new Z. Let's go check it out. And sure it is, they added it. Let's do it. Oh damn, they got hella trim levels, but let's do the Nissan Z Performance trim level with the 6-speed. Damn, interest rate's 564 for well qualified. Jeez. Hey, that does look good though in black. Oof, that is spicy. This yellow two-tone color costs $1,200. Holy crap. Bro, the red one's $1,600. This one's probably the best one though. This wine red is free. I like the red, the blue, or the bolder gray. That looks good. We're gonna go ahead and add the clear hood protector for $170. That's a clear, bro. You can add racing stripes? No way. What the hell? I'm not gonna do it though. Bro, you can add exterior lighting. It's basically underglow. Bro, that is fire. So it turns on when you lock and unlock your car, and then when you get close to it, it senses it and it turns on. Bro, that is sick, bro. I have to have that, bro. If the Nissan Proto doesn't have that, I'm returning it. I'm gonna go ahead and select the blue interior. Interior scuff protection, and it looks carbon fiber, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it. You have the option to add a freaking dash cam, bro. That's a must. I don't care how broke you are, you have to add that, bro. And we're also adding that virtual key. You can basically unlock, start, lock, bro, everything from your phone, bro. That's a must. Bro, it comes with footwell LED lighted. They're already racing it out for you. This thing's sick, bro. I'm adding that. $445 though. You can get it on Amazon for like 20 bucks. I don't know. We're gonna add it, bro. And you get an illuminated skid panel right here. Bro, that's a must, bro. That's so sexy right there. Security impact, so when somebody hits it, you get an alert through the phone. Bro, that's an ad for sure. Emergency road kit, gloves, some tools. Only 60 cents. Freak it, whatever, add it. What the hell? You get a Nissan trash bin? Bro, I'm baller status, so we're gonna add that, bro. $45, let's go. First aid kit? Sure, why not? Let's do it. Frameless rear view mirror with the universal garage remote. I'm gonna do that. That would be so nice. That brings our total to $55,346, and with $5,000 as down payment, expect your monthly payment to be $1,048. That is with excellent credit. That was fun, but as you guys know, I already got assigned the Proto Z that should be coming about a month or two, even less. And I really hope that those features were added, like the illuminated skid panel, the LEDs inside, the freaking impact sensors. I really hope all that was added. We'll see. We'll pray to God.